To talk about the media strategy of Tehreek-e-Insaf, we've got the Information Secretary, Mr. Omar Chima. Mr. Chima, could you tell us about the online media strategy of Tehreek-e-Insaf?
As you know, with the expansion of this new media, electronic media and the digital media here in Pakistan, as a media strategy, we have opted to reach to the maximum number of users of users of internet. We have set up this website.
You are actually the only one that has a donate now button. How has this been able to help your funding activities?
You know, as you know, here in Pakistan, we can't have a legal funding. There is no concept of legal funding for a political party, and so we started this campaign of getting the funds from the overseas Pakistanis. It is mostly focused for the members who register from outside Pakistan.
Adnaan Tariq invites us to take a look at the online presence of Tehreek-e-Insaf and what independent bloggers have to say about the party.
Having conquered the cricketing world, Imran Khan embarked on a journey into politics to bring about a change in Pakistan under the banner of the Tehreek-e-Insaf. After raising his political standing in the physical world, his political team soon realized that to bring about a change, the party has to have a strong presence online. One of the only Pakistani political websites which offer user interactivity, the Tehreek's web portal is an ideal example for the rest of Pakistan's political parties. Data is neatly laid out for its visitors with contact information about the party's manifesto and its leadership widely available. Announcements regarding the party's activities and its different chapters are also there. It also has a blog section and a forum for users to share ideas and interact with the Tehreek's leadership. This interactivity is the sole reason why the website has so much traffic. Members can register online and volunteer to help out in the party's activities. It is also one of the first parties to introduce donations online. The party seeks funds from the public regarding its Sasta Tandoor project and recently for the Long March protest. The Tehreek-e-Insaf's website has won them a lot of praise by the netizens in the cyber world. But what does the blogosphere have to say about the party and its leadership? Teeth Maestro has a post on his blog titled Imran Khan's Political Short Selling by a guest blogger who wrote of the shortcomings of the PTI leader. He goes on to say,
from extreme left once, today his critics view him as a beardless Talib. He is a close ally and supporter of JI and Hamid Gul ideology of strategic depth. His critics claim that he is doing so to get support of ethnic Pashtuns. His personal life is not less confusing. An ultra-liberal fun guy as most of the Pakistani youth from upper middle class in action. Surprisingly, he is a hardliner, religious extremist in his public statements.
Charangi.com had a post by Asma Qadir titled Imran Khan, a great call, in which she discusses the pros and cons of the party and states that
for the older generations, Imran Khan is a little too non-traditional. For the younger lot, serious about politics, a vote for Imran Khan runs the risk of being wasted in this big run for democracy. But then, doesn't every vote count? Can this be the change the politics varied Pakistanis are looking for?
With a stellar website and a party leader with star power, the Tehreek-e-Insaf seems to have all the ingredients for a successful campaign. But is that enough? Adnaan Tariq, DawnNews.
It's all about the numbers and who tops the list. Adnaan Tariq takes a look at the rankings of the different political party websites.
We've analyzed and reported on the websites of the major political parties of Pakistan and a few of the minor ones. So who has the best online presence? Wired and Active, with the help of pkpolitics.com, conducted a poll at PK Politics and asked people to vote for the best political party's website. The website choices are the Pakistan's People's Party, the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz, the Muttahida Qawmi Movement, the Tehreek-e-Insaf's website and others. More than 550 people participated in the poll and the winner is the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf's website won 55% of the vote. The PTI is followed by the PMLN with 28% of the vote. Number 3 is the MQM with 7%. The choice for other parties notably includes the Jamaat-e-Islami and the Awami National Party. People have also commented on the poll. Some of the interesting comments are, Urazak12 says,
PMLN just upgraded their website, and it's the best one of these four. The worst is the MQMs.
ENGR Ali says that,
I think the website of Jamaat-e-Islami is not bad as well. If the website of MQM is included in the polls, then I think you should include the website of Jamaat-e-Islami as well. It's much better than the MQM's website.
Well, there you have it. As we conclude our coverage of the political party websites, the ranking shows that the website with the most interactivity have won the hearts and online surfing time of the Pakistani virtual community. Adnaan, Tariq, Dawn News.